Hi guys, welcome back to Surigod, sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. What we're doing today is a Niger salad. Spicy Niger salad, yes. And sincerely, you have not tasted this one before, taste it and see that the Lord is good, you know. So I am going to start right away now from the cream. I'll show you how I mix my cream, then we'll go to the veggies. So let me start one by one as I introduce you to it. Don't worry, relax, enjoy it. I have the one that has a very thick piece and the lighter one of it, so I'm mixing the two together. Two of this, which is 30 ounces of mayonnaise. That's 2 jars. Then the habanero, I crushed habanero. Habanero is about 7 pieces. Mix it with water so that you get a lot of juice in it. The salt is gonna be like 1.25. You see? This is cabbage. And see guys, if you don't look well, you won't know the difference. This is a cabbage. This is a lettuce. This is cabbage. I don't like the after smell of cabbage. Is either you wash it with vinegar or salt. So I'm going to do 15 ml of vinegar to wash it. That's it. A little bit of water. Just squeeze it. That's how to clean it up. Here you grate the carrot. Yes guys, I'm all sweaty. Thank you for watching today's food show. Kindly subscribe, like, share. Tell your friends about our page. Something exciting. Thank you so much guys, and we'll see you again. Love you.